Hi everybody, I'm here with Megan Dugan. You might have recognized her from a couple years ago when we did a video all about Lemonhead LA.
Yep.
Megan Dugan, and we're gonna learn about a new product alert called Lemonhead. Woohoo! Let's just name some of the people that we've seen with Lemonhead LA on. Beyoncé.
Tovlo covered her whole entire face with it for a campaign.
Okay.
People Kerry Washington, Emma Stone, Margot Robbie.
Kaylee Cuoco, Rashida Jones, Tracy Ellis Ross. Like, the list goes on and on. She's a busy businesswoman, and I can't believe we even have time to talk right now. Lemonhead LA is about, it's for people that have never worn glitter, and it's for people that wear it all the time.
I come from more of a beauty and wedding background, and I always felt like everything was so complicated.
Right.
If I had to use loose glitter, you had to use the glue underneath or the liquid, and then it muddied the shadow and made the shadow kind of crackle. Yep. And I'm like, there's got to be a better way. So I became so in love with skincare that I started making my own, and I started making my own skincare, hair care, things like that. So I created a couple different balms that I wanted to be multi-purpose. I finally got a really good formula, and I started kind of giving it to makeup artist friends like you. All of a sudden it was oh, by the way, all the celebrities at Coachella were wearing it. So I had to quit my job, and it's been nonstop ever since.
I remember seeing something about Lemonhead LA, and I was like,
that got 50 million views, and I was at lunch celebrating my 500th website order. All of a sudden my phone just goes bing, 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 and we got 1,500 orders that day. I was there was no turning back at that point. So I had to hire all of my friends that I knew. So everybody that works for Lemonhead LA at this time is a makeup artist and a working makeup artist, almost like a mini agency of sorts. Because when people want to reach out to one of us, we can't do it. I pass it off to my girls, amazing. And also keeps them able to pay their bills. It's really a brand that's made by artists for artists.
I think this is a good lesson to anybody that if you find something that you truly love and are passionate about, that you can turn it into a business. Now I'm a little jealous because other artists will act like they know who you are, and I'm like, bitch, I knew her when she was in her kitchen making this shit. Okay.
Yeah.
I'd like to try doing a lip.
Yeah.
With a red.
Yep.
I would like to also do something on my eyes that is very
red carpet.
Red carpet. Then I'd like to see something new that's coming out that we could tease to the audience.
So now we have Space Paste, which has been out for a few years. Our highlighter, we've had Houdini, which was the number one glitter highlight of 2018.
Oh my god.
It was the number one talked about glitter of 2018. It was the number one search for glitter of 2018.
That's amazing.
And Beyoncé wore it at Coachella both weekends and on her tour.
No.
So what I did is I thought about all of the different agencies, makeup artist agencies, and I sent 10 kits to every agency of mini samples, and it was an SOS Coachella kit. And I made little minis with little spoolies and little cleanup tools and a little note inside. And I just said, I dispersed them to my top favorite agencies. And I said, please send these to any artists that you have going to Coachella. And Sir John got one, and the rest is history. And
yeah, Sir John. Let's get to it.
So the number one question I get is, what is the difference between Space Jam and Space Paste?
Okay.
Space Paste is your single color concentrates. So these are really, really, really thick, balms. So it's more of a toothpaste.
Oh.
Go for it. And so and I like that you grabbed a little more than you need, because that's really the perfect way to do it.
My God.
Yeah.
Dorothy just stepped all over me.
You could do this without a lipstick, but why stress yourself out? Have a color underneath. I just recommend a matte color, because if you have something super glossy,
it's gonna get lost.
The glitter won't set.
Yeah.
You can literally just tap it on for a light effect, and it's still gonna make it look like you have a full glitter lip.
I'm wearing it right now, and I don't feel like it's over the top. Sometimes you see people with the glitter lips, and it's over the top.
Yeah, I call it glitter for adults.
Mm-hmm. Glitter for adults.
Yep. You can literally just sculpt this into whatever shape.
Oh, wow.
Space Paste is really, it's up to you how to use it. Yeah. It's a totally new type of product that really has not existed before.
And this is Roosevelt. If you want to do a red lip. What's that girl, that influencer named Glozell?
She's gonna freak.
She's Glozell, this is for you, girl. Mm-hmm. Just thinking about you. Got your back, Glozell. Mm-hmm. Now, what is Space Jam?
Space Jam. Think of it like a jam, like a jelly.
Okay,
so jelly's got a bunch of different things in it, different seeds.
Yep.
Imagine that this is an eyeshadow. This is your palette. It's not just a bunch of glitters thrown together. Everything is perfectly balanced. This is if Heidi Klum went to Coachella. You could use this totally opaque, so we can leave it really thick.
That is
gorgeous.
It's
like jewelry. This is my favorite way to wear Space Jam. You just take a little.
Okay.
So all I'm
You're
doing,
just tapping.
I'm lightly tapping, and so this is going to give you like a jewelry effect on the skin.
Oh my God, I'm obsessed.
So,
and guys, it's called Melrose. Melrose, it's so witty.
Because it's blush. So everything in the line too, Lemonhead LA, is all based on memories in my experience living in LA. I really wanted the line to be reminiscent of, hard work and having fun and being young and
obsessed.
Feeling young.
What is that? Oh, Lemonhead LA.
It's not like festival. I think that there's some really cool glitter brands out there that do festival really well.
Right.
It's just not our aesthetic.
It's designed for you already, so you don't have to be like, I don't know where to put it. Like, you can't go wrong. Let's talk removal.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you're going to pull in one direction. Oh, yeah. It doesn't just break down and dissolve, so you need to, you don't want to rub back and forth. I preferred not using makeup wipes, but I like to demo with makeup wipes because so many of you at home are used to this. I'm using the Alcone makeup wipes. My favorite way to remove it, though, is with a cotton round and micellar water. My favorite is Bioderma.
Okay, I love Bioderma.
It acts like a magnet.
I love Garnier. I love... There's so many good ones. But I do love Bioderma.
This is not a magic trick. Give yourself just like a little kiss on this hand.
Nothing. I love you. This is so genius.
So I'm going to start by showing Houdini. So Houdini is a space paste. It's one currently of 15. It disappears.
What is going on now?
That one disappears and reappears.
That's why she calls it Houdini.
Yeah. Houdini is a really amazing magic highlighter.
Yes.
If you notice in the jar, it's not that pretty.
No.
It's kind of tinted yellow.
It looks like it's like plugged in, like that neon light back there.
This is Phantom.
Okay.
So Phantom is Houdini's like alter ego.
Oh boy.
It's very similar.
A totally different hue.
It is. Like, they look almost identical in the jar, but it's similar to how you would buy a highlight palette with two different tones of highlight.
You guys.
I feel like we should show a glow jam, though. Should we show a glow jam?
Yeah, show a glow jam.
The glow jam is really cool. This one was originally created for Beauty Blender. Okay. It's the exact same color as Beauty Blender. Yes. And, but then from there, I was like, why not have it permanent and do a whole line of these? So this is... Holly Weird.
What is going on?
Let's turn these lights down.
Oh boy.
Yeah. The cool thing about Glow Jam is that like you could mix it. It's very subtle, but you could just sort of mix it in with your other colors that you have.
Guys,
and
we're layering.
You create your own.
We're layering. Your brand is amazing. I'm really proud of you. I'm proud of an independent brand.
Of you. We have a glitter library here. Yes. And Jamie is going to design her own Jamie makeup.
A portion of the proceeds go to each one. Go to the National Coalition Against Ovarian Cancer. So
Jamie is one of our featured 12 Days of Artists.
Oh, kind of like last one. I kind of fell off the boat, but I'm so happy I'm back. I got the 12th spot. Woo!
Yeah, but it is once a week. We feature different artists, but it's still 12 Days of Artists because the glitter is available starting on Fridays for 24 hours only.
God. Okay.
So you gotta get on it. You can get it.
All right. What would you say the best novice glitter would be for somebody?
Melrose is the perfect jewel type of look. Yeah. So that's a really good starter, but Mulholland, really pretty and subtle. If you love glitter, you're going to love Lemonhead LA. But if you're intimidated by glitter or you think that I could never wear glitter, yes, you can. I think of this more really as like fashion than beauty.
It's an accessory.
It is. And
you look so pretty. You're also like gorge, but like whatever.
So we're always coming out with new things. So you always want to check the website, but mostly our Instagram. It's a really fun thing. We show a lot of behind the scenes. It's a cool way to see really the work that goes into it because it's not easy.
Thank you so much. And go to the website, all information below, and Jamie Makeup will be the code, guys. And thank you. Thank you.
Of course. Thanks for having me.